Thank you. Gosh, that went fast. Don't really know when I'm meant to be playing until. Time's flying. So yeah, I should probably play a song off my album which I'm selling, because otherwise that would be a bit weird. So I'm going to play a song that has a name and everything, and is on the album, and it's called Where They Met. Hope you enjoy. Thanks. Thank you. So what next? Let's consult the list. Yeah, so this is another one that hasn't made it onto an album yet. And it has the provisional title of Life is More Than a Dream, as named by a 9-year-old girl who came up to me after a concert that I was doing here and suggested that name. So I've kept it until it makes it onto an album, and maybe I rename it if I can bear to break her heart, or I don't know. But yeah, it's called Life is More Than a Dream. Thanks very much. So that was a happy one. I've got a sad one written down next. It's not actually said, doesn't actually say a sad one. It says when all is said and done. So this is another one that hasn't made it onto an album yet, but hope you enjoy it anyway. It's not too sad, so it's all right. Thank you. Right, so this next one's really new. You've kind of, I don't know whether you've been unfortunate or fortunate to hear a lot of new stuff I'm writing at the moment. It does mean it's maybe less rehearsed, but this one's really not very rehearsed. I was kind of umming and ahhing over whether to play it. It's a new piece I wrote. My friend did a Chopin Variations album, which I thought was absolutely incredible. And I sort of, after listening to that about 3 or 4 times, I wrote this sort of as I was inspired, and this is how it goes. Thank you. That was all right, wasn't it? That wasn't too bad. It's okay. A few more practices and I'll be there. It'll be all right. I think I'm going to play my last one now. I was told a klaxon would go off at 7, and I've got 7:01 on my phone. So if a klaxon goes off in the middle of this, stay where you are. It'll be fine. There's another one at 25 past. So yeah, this one, the last one I'm going to play. Last one I'm going to play? Yeah, last one I'm going to play. It's called Winter Garden, and it was written a while back, and I ended up doing a lovely animation around this song with, oh, there you go, klaxon. Stay where you are, it's fine. Just enjoy yourselves. Yeah, so I did this video, an animation around this song I wrote about a boy who breaks into a old man's garden in the snow and starts playing about. He gets angry with the little boy, and then they end up playing together, and it's all a nice bonding thing, and he melts the old man's heart, and it's lovely. It's a lovely video. It's called Winter Garden, and it was written sort of in conjunction with this, and I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, if you want to buy a CD off me, CDs are £10. Yeah, if you've enjoyed what you see, come and chat to me. Even if you don't want to buy a CD, come and say hi. I've given you time today as well, because it starts at past, I've been told, the show. So yeah, this is called Winter Garden. Come and see me afterwards and buy a CD, or don't. I hope you enjoy it.